I don't have the details with me.
Kari India kelebu yaki kendon hakabaya day bat kajing Wanrah yaki jan baladep Shna Lypa na Bangladesh bat kiwai ki marling ba ki kat Jongka hakatan syatay lamingi ki bakentup yaki tuh Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura bat Mizoram. Kani karai kalong hadian ki jingkren balapenmi jing yaken at da unong ai jingmut basipor Jongka Bangladesh u Muhammad Yunus. Hagapo ba ulet jingo yaka China hakaba ulah kren syapangkatan syatay lamingi Jong kari India. UMLA Jong ka amlarem uba lakmen remboy kaba ka konstituensi Jong u kentup ya ki jaka Khaïi bekongsan Jong ka dauki ulaong bagi jeng perking ba kensan ki la Pynthut ya Khaïi pateng Jong ki nong Khaïi ki ba Shna ya ki mar ki bawan poi na Bangladesh haba kubur ya ka jeng syak kta Jong ka yok ka kod uba remboy ula banjur ba ka jeng shngan Jong kari kalong ka bah khamat
These have been done in a very short notice. But having said that, for the sake of security of the country, the people understand and we have to abide by the government order so that because this is done is for the benefit of the country only. And moreover, export to Bangladesh as of now, it does not affect the exporters could export their goods through the land port there as usual. So the export is not affected, but import of some item which come through Dauki is affected due to this order.